Okay, today we're going to take a rusted out cast iron and restore it and see if it works and try to salvage this. We bought one of these cast irons off the internet, and I also want to tell you about becoming a member of the channel. You get extra perks. Go check it out. Just hit that join button up above by every video, and you'll become a member and you'll get private chats with me on Saturdays. I think we're going to start video chatting together. And you're also going to get behind the scenes videos, like you'll be able to see the whole kitchen, the messy kitchen that I have, and you'll be able to see how I make a video. So we're going to be doing some cool stuff like that. So there's special perks for members. Remember, you guys mean a lot to me, whether you're a member or not. So come on in close and let me show you this cast iron. Okay, as you can tell, this cast iron is completely rusted out and dirty, but there's no cracks on it, so it's good to restore. You don't want a cast iron that has any breaks or cracks in it. It's not worth the time to restore it. You're better off just spending another 15, 20 bucks and finding one that is all intact. But this has got rust and dirt, and we're going to try and take it back down to the original. So let's start on that right now. Okay, before we even try to wash this cast iron, we're gonna soak it in vinegar, okay? Straight vinegar. We're gonna soak this for about 24 hours. Make sure it's completely covered in vinegar, and then we're gonna submerge, well, it's gonna stay submerged so that it can eat away at some of this rust and the dirt. So we don't have to use any elbow grease, not as much. There still will be elbow grease required to clean this, but for right now we want the acid in the vinegar to do almost all the work. Okay, it took about 2 gallons of vinegar to submerge this pan. If you can get a smaller container, it will take less vinegar, of course, because it'll rise faster. So we're going to leave this 24 hours overnight. Just let the acidity of the vinegar eat away at the pan. It'll eat everywhere, the bottom, the handle. We have it completely submerged. Okay, everybody, while we're waiting for the pan to soak, I wanted to show you this product that was sent to the show. It's by a company called Thread Nanny Home Products. And now in this box is something I want to share with you. I thought it was just an oven mat, but it's more than just an oven mat. If you look inside, right there, that's the exciting part. This is an oven mat that you can cut the size for your oven, and you can use it. It's oven safe and everything, and if you've never used an oven mat, you should consider using one. I have one in my oven. But the thing that excites me most about this package is they also throw these in. This is considered grill guards. You guys have seen my grill guards? Let me show you. So if we open up my oven, you guys have seen this for many years. I got it on a Toys in the Kitchen episode. These old dirty grill guards were sent to the show a long time ago. They just snap right off. Come on, I haven't taken them off like since they came to the show. Look at them. Okay, there you go. That's the silicone grill guards that was sent to me. So I'll let you know how it works. But they're oven safe, and they're better than the cloth. They don't get dirty. They're gonna wash up nice and easy. I'll let you know if they stay on. They're just clipped on. So it's like they had a slit and they just grab onto the rack. So I won't be burning my hands. Like always, putting stuff in the oven. Not bad, huh? Pretty cool. Thank you, Thread Nanny, for sending these to the show, and I'll have a link down below if anybody's interested in these. But grill guards are pretty cool. Okay, now let's pull the pan out of the straight vinegar. It's been soaking all night. There's little rust particles in the water. We're gonna put the pan in here. We're gonna hit it with hot water. Gonna rinse the whole pan off, get all the vinegar off it. We're not going to scrub it yet. All right, we've dried off the pan. Now we're going to make sure we're recording. We're going to take the drill. I bought this attachment for my drill. And we're going to scrub the pan. I heard salt is a great abrasive. So let's put some coarse salt in there. We'll see how that goes. Watch, I'll have salt all over the kitchen. So we'll throw a little salt in there. Okay, here is just the first initial scrubbing. You can see all the rust is gone. Now we're getting the black off. We're getting down to the real metal. So we're gonna make this easy on ourselves. You can see here. You can see. Let me show you. It says on this pan. It says "Made in USA." It says number 7, 10 and a quarter inch pan. So you could see the descriptions. You can see the black coming off. This is really cool. It's so smooth. I can't wait to restore this completely. So we're going to put this in the vinegar, back in the vinegar again. Because I don't want to do the scrubbing for the next hour. I want to eat away. We got rid of the rust. We got rid of that initial coverage. And now we're going to take this to the next level. You guys ready? Well, there you go, guys. That's 2 soakings in vinegar and 2 scrubs with the attachment for your drill. And it's super smooth. It's super smooth. So check that out. All right, now that we've scrubbed this clean, we need to teach you how to season. So we're going to put a little oil all over the pan. Not just the inside, the perimeter, the outside. Oil the whole thing, okay? The handle, put oil on the handle, flip the whole thing over, put a little bit of oil back here, and get this, and get all the sides, back of the handle, oil the whole pan. Now that your pan is fully oiled, you may want to grab it with a towel, you may want to just grab it with your hand and wash your hand after you're done, but make sure it's completely coated with oil. Now take this pan and put it in the oven 450 degrees for about 30 minutes, okay? And what I'm gonna do is put a cookie sheet on the lower rack. So if any oil drips off this pan, it will drip on that cookie sheet, not in my oven, okay? So that's the setup you kinda want right there. The cookie sheet will catch any drippings that come off the pan as you heat it and get the oil to set into the cast iron. Go 450 for about 30 minutes. Do not pull the pan out until it completely cools. So when you're done with your 30 minutes, then pull your pan out. Okay, so we've oiled it and we've cooked in the oil to give it a good seal. And now, before you put it away, we got one more step, okay? Take your oil again, because it's all dry right now, okay? You look, that's all cool to the touch. Oil the whole thing gently again. Don't forget the perimeter. Very, very light coat. And then you're all done. You can do the bottom if you want. The key is when you wash your cast iron, some people believe just rinse it with hot water and then scrape the gunks out of your cast iron and then oil it and put it away. Always oil after you're done with your cast iron. Always oil it. Now I'm going to put it in the cupboard like this. So it'll prevent the rust. It protects it from any kind of elements of the air. So now let's put this away. All right. That's how you restore and season your cast iron pan.